All right, this next problem is one from, I believe, chapter 4. It asks you to find the value of x and y in this diagram here. Now, x right here and y, but x you might think that you see already. And what do we have going on here, basically? I guess should be the first question. Notice these two angles are equal and we have a big angle. So we basically have an angle bisector. But there's also another condition that these two sides are equal, and there was a rule that we learned with isosceles triangles. If you go back and look at the notes on isosceles triangles, oops, forgive me, let me switch back to the pen. There's a rule that we learned with isosceles triangles that said when we have an isosceles triangle and its vertex angle, that's the top angle up here, the vertex angle, is bisected, we get a perpendicular line. And it's an isosceles triangle that's bisected. The vertex angle is bisected. We get a perpendicular line right here. So what does perpendicular mean? So it means basically that we get a 90-degree angle. So x, without doing any math, is equal to 90 degrees. And you might have guessed that anyways, just looking at the diagram. Well, once we know that x is 90, we also know that base angles are equal on isosceles triangles. So this angle over here is also 47 degrees. So let's go ahead and label that 47 degrees. And once we have this is 47 degrees, we can use the triangle sum theorem that these angles inside of the triangle add up to be what? Yeah, 180. So this is a problem where we add terms together. So x plus 47 plus y equals 180. Well, we know what x is now, so we can plug that in. X is 90, so that's 90 plus 47 plus y equals 180. 90 plus 47, if you add the 7, add the 4 to the 9, and you get 137 plus y equals 180. And now you subtract 137 from both sides to get to the next part, which is minus 137 minus 137. And basically you get that y equals, let's see, I'm actually going to do the math here at the calculator set, but we can do it by hand. You get 43. So y equals 43 degrees. And so we have our y and we have our x, and hopefully you understand that. So let me know if you have any questions, but that's another problem you should know for the final.